In this video, we are talking about review of Anytype versus Capacities versus Obsidian. These are three powerful tools for thinking, planning, and building your digital brain. First up, Anytype, the all-in-one Notion style tool, but fully offline first and privacy focused. You can build pages, databases, and even entire personal knowledge system without relying on the cloud. It's still in early development, but the design is beautiful and it respects your data. Now let's go ahead to Capacities, your second brain with the visual twist. This app shines with its object-based system. You organize everything as people, notes, images, bookmarks. It's perfect if you are a visual thinker who loves structured creativity. You also get a gorgeous daily note flow and smart templates that evolve as your ideas grow. And finally, Obsidian, the powerhouse of plain text. It runs on Markdown, giving you full control and ownership of your notes. With plugins, backlines, and a graph view, Obsidian is insanely customizable. Want it to behave like Notion, Rome, or even VS Code. So, who wins? Anytype for privacy and offline structure, and Capacities for creative knowledge flow, and Obsidian if you want total control and customization. So, this was an easy review. As always, thank you for watching.